Imagine this. You are sitting in your car at a red light. Morning time. Coffee in the cup holder. Late for work. Normal day. Then something feels wrong. The steering wheel shakes a little. The engine coughs, it catches, then coughs again. That little orange light on your dashboard turns on. Your heart sinks. You already know what is coming. A trip to the mechanic. Last time it cost $900. The time before that, $1,400. But what if I told you 5 of the most common and most expensive car problems all come from tiny parts that cost less than a meal? No tricks, no secrets, just 5 small parts that wear out slowly, and when they go bad, they break expensive things around them. Here are all 5. Each one costs under $15. Together, they can save you thousands. Number 1, the free computer reset. Your car has a small computer inside it. Think of it like the brain of your car. This brain learns how you drive. It watches everything: how much fuel to use, how fast to idle, when to shift gears. But over time, this brain gets confused. The information it saved becomes old and wrong, like a phone that starts running slow because it has too much junk stored on it. When the brain gets confused, your car starts acting weird. Rough shaking when you stop, hard jerky shifts, slow pickup when you press the gas. It feels like something big is broken. But sometimes nothing is broken at all. The brain just needs a fresh start. Here's how you do it. Open your hood. Find the battery. Take off the black cable that is the negative one. Now wait. This part is important. Wait 15 to 30 minutes, not 30 seconds. Your car holds a little bit of power even after you remove the cable. You need to let all of it drain out. While you wait, press the brake pedal 10 to 15 times. This helps drain the leftover power faster. Now put the cable back on. Turn your key to the on spot, but do not start the engine yet. Wait 30 seconds. Then start the car. Let it sit and run on its own for 10 minutes. Do not touch the gas. The brain is waking up fresh and learning everything again from zero. After that, drive around normally for about 20 to 30 miles. Your car will figure out the right fuel mix, the right idle speed, and the right shift points all by itself. Now, this will not fix parts that are truly worn out or broken, but it clears out the brain fog that makes good parts look bad. Cost zero. Number 2, the $15 cap that protects a $3,000 repair. Here is a question. When was the last time you changed your radiator cap? If you said never, most people say the same thing. Your radiator cap looks like just a lid, but it is much more than that. Inside it is a small spring that keeps pressure inside your cooling system. That pressure stops your coolant from boiling when the engine gets really hot. After a few years, that little spring gets weak. The pressure drops. Now your coolant can boil during hot days or hard driving. When coolant boils, steam bubbles form inside the engine. Those bubbles create super hot spots. Those hot spots bend and warp the metal. That is how your head gasket blows. And fixing a blown head gasket costs $1,500 to $3,000. A new radiator cap costs about $15. Change it every 3 to 5 years. $15 to protect a $3,000 part. That is the cheapest protection your car will ever get. Number 3, the $10 cap that turns off fake warning lights. Your check engine light comes on, you go to a shop. They plug in their computer and say you need a new part for your fuel vapor system. They want $600 to $800. But a lot of times, the real problem is much simpler than that. Your gas cap has a small rubber ring inside it. That ring creates a tight seal so fuel vapors do not escape. But after about 50,000 miles, that rubber gets hard and stiff. It stops sealing properly. Vapors leak out. Your car's computer notices and turns on the check engine light. Here is how to check. Next time you fill up your tank, twist the gas cap tight and listen. You should hear 2 or 3 clicks. That means the seal is still gripping. No clicks means the seal is done. A new gas cap costs $8 to $15. You can put it on in 3 seconds. Change it, and if the light goes away after a week of driving, you just saved yourself hundreds. If the light comes back, then yes, something else might need fixing. But always check the cheapest thing first. Number 4. The $12 part hiding behind $2,000 in oil leaks. You start seeing oil spots on your driveway. Small ones at first, then bigger. You take it to a shop and they find leaks everywhere. This gasket is leaking. That seal is dripping. Another one is starting to go. Total estimate $1,500 to $2,000. But here is something most people do not know. When oil leaks show up in many places at the same time, they often come from one single cause. Deep inside your engine is a small valve called a PCV valve. It is about the size of your thumb. Its job is to let pressure escape from inside the engine in a safe way. When this valve gets clogged, pressure builds up inside with nowhere to go. That pressure pushes oil past every gasket and seal in the engine. You see 5 leaks on the outside, but there is only one problem on the inside. A new PCV valve costs $10 to $15. You can change it in 10 minutes. Most cars do not even need tools. Here is how to test yours. Pull it out while the engine is running. Put your thumb over the hole where it was. You should feel a strong sucking pull against your thumb. If you feel nothing, the valve is dead. Change it right away. Check it every 30,000 miles. Number 5, the $8 spray that saves a $300 part. Car runs rough. Gas mileage drops. Code reader says the airflow sensor is bad. Shop wants $250 to $350 for a new one. But these sensors almost never actually break. They just get dirty. Your airflow sensor measures air entering the engine using a tiny wire thinner than a hair. Over time, oil and dust stick to that wire. The sensor still works, but reads wrong. Wrong readings mean wrong fuel mix. Wrong fuel mix means rough running and wasted gas. Buy an $8 can of sensor cleaner. Take the sensor out, usually 2 small screws. Spray the wire. Let it dry 10 minutes. Put it back. This one cleaning can improve gas mileage by 10 to 15%. The $8 can pay for itself with your next tank. Clean every 30,000 miles. Now look at the big picture. A free reset, a $15 cap, a $10 seal, a $12 valve, an $8 spray, under $50, less than 1 hour. Over $5,000 in repairs prevented, no special tools, no training, no mystery. And when something truly breaks, a good mechanic is worth every dollar. But knowing these 5 things means you walk into any shop with knowledge, not fear. We wait for things to break. We panic when warning lights come on. We pay for big emergencies that started as small whispers. Every expensive repair started as something small, something quiet, something that cost almost nothing to fix if someone caught it early. The people who spend the least on repairs are not luckier than you. They just learned to listen before things broke. Now you know what they know. What is the most expensive repair you paid for that could have been prevented? Tell us in the comments. Your story might save someone else. If this helped, subscribe. Simple car tips every week, no drama, just what works.